Welcome to the Pattern Recognizer. Most people are running programs they never chose, patterns inherited, programmed, and unconsciously repeated. Today we expose one of those patterns, see exactly how it works, and discover the precise shift that can set you free. Let's begin. I call this motion the approval pendulum. In the next 7 minutes, you'll see its anatomy, a precise metaphysical frame, and one practical daily fix, a 3-minute axis check you can do every morning to reduce the swing. One shift changes everything. First, the anatomy. Psychologically, the pendulum is simple and relentless. In infancy, we learn that approval equals safety. A smile, a touch, a withheld scold becomes reinforcement. Neuroscience calls it operant conditioning. Mirror neurons copy the face that calms the room. Over decades, those micro-rewards carve a motion. Move right to please, move left to resist when pleasing no longer works. Attachment wiring meets habit loops. The more your nervous system is rewarded for matching, the stronger the return swing when you try to be yourself. It's not moral failure. It's a conditioned oscillation. Know the esoteric frame. Picture two circles overlapping the vesica puscas, each circle a field of otherness. Family expectation on one side, social identity on the other. The overlap is where you live when you trade center for approval. Bilateral dependency. In alchemy, this is polarity without a true axis, gold and lead spinning without union. Stoicism gives us a remedy, an inner axis. Imagine a vertical spindle through the overlap. That spindle is your discerning center. Sacred geometry explains the shape. Stoic practice teaches the hold. The pendulum is simply motion around a missing axle.